I'm doing it.
Cameraman 2.0. Go. The show is starting.
Go excited.
So this is Bubba's toy review. Bubba has a new toy. This is Will, also known as Bubba. He has a Batman versus Superman Mighty Minis. I think, what are these called? The blind packages? Or
Blind bags.
Blind bags? Alright, so Will's going to open this up and see what he gets.
Okay, want to help? Yeah.
I'll just start it like.
And this is Carly, his sister, partner in crime.
Yeah.
Let's see.
If you got
Okay, so here's the.
me
So
which
we
me
got-
did almond.
Let's see.
This me which me one did almond. That would
We got Aquaman.
You got Aquaman.
He's from Series 2. And he's got this beard. Here, let's just
Oh,
put
him
it together.
from a diaper one.
Yeah,
Him from a diaper one.
he's from Series 2.
Him from a diaper one.
Yeah, Series 2.
Him
The
from
white one.
series 2. I white
His
one.
head can move. Where's his leg? Here we go. Now let's pop this on his face. Stupid arm, go in his arm. There we go.
Alright,
Man,
let's see him, Will.
arm is almond.
Alright, so let's take a look at this guy.
I like his arm armor.
Yeah.
Me daddy him told me the details.
Yeah, his hair has really good details. You can like see the lines and everything.
So if we focus in here a little bit. Maybe not.
He's blurry anyways.
No, you're not.
Here he is on the bag or Series 2.
Yep.
Yeah,
That's pretty cool.
Hey, that's a different
Sponsored by Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Carly's McDonald's cup.
No, that's mine.
Oh, Will's McDonald's cup. Sorry. Jeez.
You can.
How
Alright.
Oh my god, the almond. Here's almond.
I'm gonna grab your Batman pieces that you still have that you didn't lose. You can mix and match them. We should put Batman's legs on Aquaman
Aquaman has silver pants now
and
and black arms.
one black arm.
And he missed of that. We say me wish me was it did almond.
Yep.
Nah.
Oh no. Ah. Alright. Well, for Bubba's toy review,
Goodbye.
goodbye.
Adios, amigo.
Goodbye.
Bam!